Hello gamers! Welcome back to our channel AI Made Tech Reviews. Today, we're going to show you how to repair a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. Remember, if you're not comfortable with doing this yourself, it's always best to seek help from a professional. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools: a tri-wing screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, and a new joystick replacement kit. First, slide the Joy-Con you want to repair off the Nintendo Switch console. Make sure your console is turned off before you do this. Using the tri-wing screwdriver, remove the 4 screws on the back of the Joy-Con. Gently lift the back cover to reveal the internal components. Using the plastic stick tool, carefully remove the battery plug. Using the same tool and some alcohol drops, gently remove the battery. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws of the plastic protective piece. Disconnect the ribbon cable from the plastic protective piece from the motherboard and locate the joystick screws. Locate the joystick and carefully disconnect it from the motherboard using the tweezers.
This is the future.
Then, connect the new joystick to the motherboard. Once the new joystick is connected, you can reassemble the Joy-Con. Make sure all the screws are tightened, but be careful not to strip them. And there you have it! Your Joy-Con should now be working like new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming!